In this video, I'm going to talk about how much it costs to live in Bali in 2022 as a digital nomad. The most expensive cost you're going to have is food. Now, I eat out most of the time, and if I don't eat out, I get a Gojek delivery. So there's certainly more economical ways to do things. I spend about £600 a month or £20 a day on food. Now, most accommodation that you stay at do have kitchen facilities. So if you want to save some money and prepare your own food, that's definitely a good way to go about it. The next most expensive outlay is accommodation. Now, accommodation's definitely going up at the moment in Bali as things get busier. By the time you watch this video, I'm recording this in June 2022, things could have gone up even more. But where I'm staying at the moment, I'm paying 7 million IDR, which is about £380 a month. And that's all in with no bills on top of that. I also, with the accommodation where I'm staying, I also get a motorbike. There's normally two types of motorbike, all the most common types that you'll get here, and that's the NMAX or the Scoopy. The NMAX is what I've got, and that's 1.5 million a month, and the Scoopy is normally about half of that. But I have been quoted sort of 3 and 4 million, so definitely shop around for motorbikes. And related to motorbikes is fuel. Fuel's really cheap. I fill up once a week, about 100,000 IDR. So over the month, that's about £20 per month on fuel. Other expenses are sport and leisure. I spend quite a lot on this. I play tennis, I go to the gym, I do surfing, occasionally yoga. So I spend about £140 per month on sport, and most of that goes on tennis. For additional costs are laundry, which is next to nothing in my opinion. It's about 150k for the month, and that's about £8 in English money. And finally, there's co-working. Now, I don't pay the most expensive. If you want a desk if you want your own desk and unlimited hours, it's about 2.2 million. I just get 30 hours a month for 800k, and just tend to use the co-working when I really depend on a reliable internet connection. So that's all the costs for living in Bali. When you add everything up that I've just mentioned, the total cost is £1,330 per month, which is about 24 million in Indonesian rupiah. So I hope that was useful. Like and subscribe, and keep an eye on the channel for videos coming up for digital nomad stuff, budgeting, and traveling around Bali in general. Thanks for watching.